You are going to love the 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The Mercedes-Benz GLS is a 7-passenger luxury SUV, which possesses all the strength, versatility, safety, elegance, cutting-edge technology, sleek sophistication, and amenities that you've come to expect from a Mercedes. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.